Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix God of War mouse not working or the mouse input issue on your PC. I will show you guys the different solution to fix this problem. So first go to the Windows search and type here the services and it will appear on the top, so simply open it. Now here just search for the service name game input service. So keep scroll down until you find the service. Now right click on the service and just simply click on the properties. Now here you will see its startup type, just choose it to the automatic. After that, just click on the apply, then click on the OK. Then just start the service by just clicking on the start option. Then just click on the OK. Then just simply restart your PC. And after the restart, simply see your problem is fixed or not. So this sometimes fix your problem, but sometimes this does not work. So the solution that you need to apply to fix this problem is update or reinstall the mouse driver. So go to the Windows search and type here the device manager and simply open it. Now here you will see the mice and other pointing devices. Simply open it. Here you will see the HT complaint mouse. So right click on it and you will see the update driver. Now just click on the update driver and then click on the option of search automatically. Now if there is any available update for your mouse driver, then just simply update it. Now right click on the PS by 2 controller, then just click on the update, then click on the search automatically for updates. And if there is any kind of available update, then just update it. Then restart your PC, see your problem is fixed or not. The next solution to fix this problem is disable mouse acceleration. Now go to the Windows search and type here the control panel and simply open it. Now click on the hardware and sound, then just click on the mouse. And now here in the mouse setting, you will see the pointer option. Just click on that. Here you will see the enhanced pointer precision. So you just need to make sure that this is unchecked. Then just click on apply, then just click on the OK, then simply launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if this does not fix your issue, then these are the basic fixes, just the check in-game mouse sensitivity or the run the game as an administrator. So you can also try this. And the next solution is verify game files. If there is any culprit or missing files, then this built-in function can fix your problem. The next solution is to disable background overlays. Sometimes these overlays can cause issues, so you can simply disable it. The last solution to fix this problem is update your Windows or your graphic drivers. Then just simply restart your PC, and I hope one of the solution fix your problem. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one, and bye bye.